Hi everyone. So in continuation with part 1, we will be discussing here the sample project that we started in the last video, and here we were discussing about like the project lead research project where we need to provide a list of the top 100 podcast companies or publishers in the world, and we have created the Google Sheet to provide all the information to. Here we will be listing all the details and all the information related to all the companies. So we have got here we have got the company's name and website URL, and then headquarter where the company's headquarter is located, and the founding date when the company was established, and then type of content produced. So the company is producing what type of content, and then names of the lead team members. So here in lead team members, we will be providing names of the like of the chief executives. So here we will be providing names of like the company's CEO, COO, or CMO, or chief communications officer, or like brand officers. So yeah, and here we will be providing the LinkedIn profile of these executives, and then mission or objective of the company, and then source links. So in the last video we did for iHeartMedia, and in this video I will mainly be discussing about how to use LinkedIn to find information, and what are all kind of information that you can find through LinkedIn. So for Acast we can discuss. So here we can find Acast page at LinkedIn, and so this is the page, and you can see here the company. We can find, this is the LinkedIn page of Acast, and we can find here the company is headquartered in Stockholm. So we will fill up the information here in the Google Sheet, and then in the about section they have written about the company. So it was established in 2014. So since 2014, Acast has been creating the world's most valuable podcast marketplace, building the technology which connects podcast creators, advertisers, and listeners. Its marketplace spans 125,000 podcasts, 2,700 advertisers, and 1.1 billion quarterly listens. So crucially, those listens are monetized wherever they happen across any podcasting app or other listening platform. The company operates worldwide and is headquartered in Stockholm. So as I said that it is written here, the company is headquartered in Stockholm, Sweden, and here the company was established in 2014. So we will be filling up our Google Sheet, and then Acast is listed on the Nasdaq First North Premier Growth Market, and then for brilliant podcasters, for smart advertisers, for the stories. And here you can find the website URL. Here you can find the industry where the company is operating. So the company is operating mainly in online audio and video media. And at its LinkedIn page, you can also find the company's size. So here it is written that you can find like tentative size of the company, 201 to 500 employees, and 432 associated members are there at LinkedIn. Then foundation, then specialty. The company is specialized in podcast, audio, and demand and media. And then we can find about its chief executives information. We can also find chief executives information at LinkedIn. So here so here Ross Adams, is the CEO at Acast, and here so yeah here Ross Adams is the CEO of the company, and so here we will be listing here his name in our Google Sheet. Then you can also check out other people's name here, and you can find here like Chris Visto, he is VP Strategy at Acast, and VP of Sales, Board Chair. Okay, we can do like show all, and for Acast, okay, so he is the Managing Director at Acast, Chief Communication Officer, Chief Communication and Brand Officer, Lizzie Pollett. So here we can find Tiffany Ashite. He is the Managing Director at Acast. He is also based in New York, US, and so we can provide his name in our sheet, and he is the Managing Director of the company. So we also need to provide the LinkedIn URL of each of the executives' profiles. Then here Lizzie Pollett, so she is the Chief Communications and Brand Officer. She is based in UK, England. So we will be providing her name in our Google Sheet. Chief Communication and Brand Officer. So here, and her LinkedIn profiles link. So yeah. So yeah, so these were all the details that we could find through LinkedIn. And now coming to the type of content produced and the mission or objective of the company. So this we can find through the company's website. And here's the company website. So we can check out the company's objective. To find the company's mission statement, we can check through Google like Acast mission, and we can write. So here we can find through this we can find here. Okay, so this is the mission statement of the company. Come and shape the podcasting industry. We are on a mission to supercharge thriving and profitable industry for all the world's podcasts. Hundreds of diverse talent united by a love of audio, building world-class tech and marrying it with some awesome content and advertising. We are shaping the podcast industry in a dynamic, creative, and fun working environment. So we can copy and paste its mission statement in our Google Sheet. So here we can write here, and yeah, so this is it. And now coming to the content, type of content produced by the company. So for iHeart we found the type of content produced by the company at their LinkedIn page. However, Acast has not mentioned the type of content it produces. So it seems that We can check its company website, and we can find it here. We can try finding the type of content or the type of podcast the company produces through different pages. We can check out like different pages of the website, and okay. So what I found that what I can make out is they are not specifically into one type of podcast. They are posting content from different streams, and they are not specialized in one thing, or they have not mentioned here. Okay, so podcast type. So yeah, so here if we write, so to find the type of content produced by the company, I wrote here like Eka's podcast types, and I found here Eka's podcast categories page, and here we can find so here we can find that they are into different categories, including sports, beauty, business, finance, comedy, and education, learning, film and entertainment, food and drink. So they games, street, etc. So they are into diverse categories. So here we can write here the same, that they are producing content related to sports, news, entertainment, and then there is business, and comedy, education, learning, etc. So they have like diverse content type. So we have mentioned this here in our web text. So yeah, it's done. So I think it is clear